What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Blaze in the Sky. Johnny Blaze here. We are at the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge today, and this could be Sky's farewell ride, because who knows when the next time she'll be able to come out here and ride. Stick around and see what we got going on our two-wheeled adventures. Okay, y'all. See that mountain right there? I want to go up. Let's go. Look at that trail down there. Cold? Oh, okay. Maybe we should have brought your jacket, huh? Oh, it's getting colder over here, isn't it? Alright. Well, the mountain's right here, so we're about to go up, okay? And then we won't be going fast anymore. Alright, here we go. Entrance to Mount Scott, y'all.
Oh, here we go!
And there's Scott.
This is a Mount Scott visit like we've never done before.
Yeah, finally. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look down there. Oh my, we are up here. Oh, and there goes Mama. Let's go catch up with her. What a view! This is awesome.
Yeah, I can see one.
Yep. Wow. Look at this side. Go up the wall. Wow. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, there's other mountains on the other side. Look at that sun. Hi. We're up at the top.
We should try to take some pictures real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna send the drone up. Go to that side. Here we are. Let's take some pictures right here. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. All right. Be safe. Careful, baby. Baby. All right, y'all. We made it up to the top of Mount Scott, and what a view it is. Say hi, Mello.
Hi.
All right, look at us out here.
This is the first time we've ever ridden up the mountain, like ever, on anything. Yes, this is awesome. I can't wait to ride down.
Say hi to the drone. Hi. Ready to go down?
All right. Lots of footage, huh? Might be selling this bike tomorrow. So, great way to say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Little mountain wheelie for me.
Alright, going down. Yeah, this is fun. Oh yeah, going down is a lot funner. Wow, the view though. Can we just live up here? Are you falling asleep? Huh? You ready for a wheelie? We can't do that going down this fast. Wanna do wheelie? Ready? Arms straight, ready? 1, 2, 3. Huh? You wanna do a wheelie next to mama? Wheelie race? We can't going this fast, it won't wheelie. We're going off-roading, okay? We're doing this. All right, something we do not do when we come here is go off-roading, and this would be a first for us. Oh. One, 2, 3. Right up the ramp. Alrighty, y'all. We are now at Medicine Park. Oh, mommy's over here trying to do wheelies already. Uh-huh. Okay. Bar's open, but we don't do the bar thing. Medicine Park, y'all. They usually have some type of event or something going on out here on the weekends and stuff, but with it being a Sunday night, everything's pretty much closed. That's a good spot to go have pizza. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, those are cool. Oh, little fishing platform.
I want to fish one day.
You want to fish one day? Oh, we're right here next to Lake Latonka now. Oh man, it would be nice to just live right by the lake. Right? Right by the lake. I like the lake too. Cool? Mama's hitting it. Caught up to Mama. Bugs hitting my eyes. I don't have goggles on. Nah, I can't borrow yours. Then bugs will be hitting your eyes. Ugh! The water hit me in my neck.
Water hit me in my leg.
Oh, 74% battery. Man, we still got plenty of battery to ride around.
How much fare you got?
76.
She said she's ready to go home.
Okay.
Well guys, that concludes our ride here out at the refuge and medicine park. If you stuck around this long, make sure you like and subscribe. And hey, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.